What's up, guys? It's your boy, Your Future Boss. You already know, follow me on Twitter at Your Future Boss. YOURFUTRBOSS. Today, I got an unboxing for y'all. I'm gonna do this one take. Y'all know how I do. This came from Walmart. Guess what it is? Well, you probably already know from the description, but let's get into it. Got my handy dandy knife right here. We're gonna make this quick because I'm ready to, see what's in here and get started. Oh my God. Y'all see that? All right, let me turn it towards y'all. A little bit of lighting. This is the Xbox Series X. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Let's get this thing out of the box. Oh, this thing is heavy. Ugh. All right, let me put it to the side. Anything else in the box? Nothing in the box. All right, cool. So, all right, guys, the Xbox Series X, like I said, here we go. We're gonna unbox it. This might be the first. I think I got mine early because it said that they're supposed to ship on the 10th. Today is actually the 6th. And mine's already here. So we're gonna get this on tonight. If y'all want to see more, actually gameplay and all that, let me know. But for right now, we're gonna do this unboxing. So this is the Xbox Series X. Let's see what the box says. Alright guys, so this thing comes with 4K gaming up to 120 frames per second. This is up to 8K high definition, high dynamic range. The HDR that you guys have on TVs that we never use, we can do that now. We got the Xbox Velocity architecture. I'm not sure what that is. We're gonna have to find that out later. We got a 1 terabyte solid state drive, so it's gonna be working a little faster than the old hard drives, which is a plus. So we're gonna be able to move seamlessly from game to game, and it should be very quick. We have the variable refresh rate, which is really good, and also 4K Blu-ray player. Now, I have a question about that Blu-ray player. That's something you guys in the comments let me know. Didn't the Xbox, we could watch Blu-rays before on the old gen systems, so why is Blu-ray, is it Blu-ray 4K that's the big deal? Or aren't all Blu-rays 4K? I'm not sure. Leave in the comments, let me know, because I'm a little confused about that as being like a selling point, because I thought we already had that. So we're gonna get into the rest of the box. As you guys can see, the front of the box here, it looks great. I don't know, I'm ready to open this thing, but the other side of the box, we just see the console itself, and we see the controller. So we got a new controller, very similar to the old controller, but it's a new controller anyway. On the back of it, Microsoft's or Xbox's #1 seller, I guess it would be Halo. So they're already showing the Halo pictures, so get ready for Halo whenever it comes out. I know it's coming out a little bit late, but I guess they want you to get ready for Halo, so Halo's on the box. Alright guys, we gonna open this thing up. So there's a tab here that we pull this way. I'm not gonna front Microsoft. You guys aren't as clean as Apple when it comes to these tabs here, but alright, tab 1 is off. Alright, cool. We got the same thing on this side here. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Alright, now I'm not sure if this thing should be laid down. I'm gonna lay it down. Alright, cool. We're gonna go ahead and open these two at the bottom here. Alright, that's 1, 2, and I think we should be able to open up. Alright guys, let's see what's inside. You guys are seeing it first. Dun dun dun! Alright, I'm gonna have to get to the side of this thing. Power your dreams. That's what Xbox says. Nothing up here. We got a lot of foam though, so I know it was taken care of. Let's open this up here. Alright, so we have a little box right here. We're going to open this box up first. I know you guys want to see what's in the box. Alright guys, so in this box, let's see what we got. First thing we got, we got two cords. Alright, cord number one is a HDMI cord. This is supposed to be like a it says ultra high speed HDMI. So ultra high speed HDMI cable with all the things that this game's going to be able to do. This should help, I guess, speeds. I'm guessing. I don't know how much better this actually is than your regular everyday HDMI, but this is what comes in here. Number two, we have the power adapter. So, as you guys know from the old consoles, we used to have the power brick that went into the system, and then they took away the power brick, so we don't have that no longer. And these are going, so the power supply is actually built into the system itself, just like a PC would be. So that's pretty cool. Those cords. What else do we have in here? Alright, this is the controller. I can't wait to see this. We got some paperwork, but I think I'm going to be pretty good without reading the paperwork. We got the controller here. Let's open that up. Alrighty. We got some batteries. Thank you, Microsoft. Thank you, Xbox, for batteries. And they're Duracell batteries. So thank you. So they must have partnered up with Duracell. They got batteries for us. That's very nice of them. Alright. So here's the controller everybody's been waiting to see. If we see this other controller here, this controller here is the original. Is this my day one? I think so. No, actually this isn't my day one, but I have a day one Xbox One controller. Obviously you see I have the keyboard on there, but as you can see, these are very close. These two controllers are very similar. Now, one thing I could tell you off rip, this controller has all shiny, the whole back is shiny and slippery. But this controller has grips. So this is all grips. The triggers, it feels almost rubbery a little bit. All has grips on the back, so this has grips, so I guess it should make it a lot easier to hold. It won't slip out of your fingers as easily. I don't know. We'll try it out and see, but I'm liking the grip on it. Like the whole thing's like grip for real. So definitely gonna be a lot better to use than this one. So we'll see what happens. Right here, you guys can see the D-pad change. So if you guys have ever seen the Xbox Elite controllers, they have the D-pads that you can remove. So this pretty much has both D-pads together. So it's the regular up and down D-pad plus the like in between, where you can touch in between. I don't know if you guys are seeing that good. So yeah, you can see, let me give you a close-up. Yeah, you can see the whole in between, and let me show you the grips. Yeah, you see that grippy? Yeah, I like that a lot. So I can't wait to use this. We got batteries, so we're gonna get that charged up. On the bottom of it, you have your same, it looks like some sort of USB instead of what it used to be, and it has the port for your earbuds, which I think you can use any type of headphones for this. You don't need a specific one, but we'll see that later on. The Xbox logo, very similar. It's more of a black color. This one had like a more silver shiny one, but colors are pretty much the same. Oh, also we have a new button. There's a new button here, right in the middle here. That button says, I don't know, it doesn't say anything. It looks like a home maybe button. I'm not really sure what that button is, but maybe I should have read the instructions. Yeah, so we have that button, and it's a new button. The old controller only had the 2 main buttons, and this one has 3 now. So we'll see what that is. It might be to go from one thing to another. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe you could program it. I have no idea. but we will find out while playing this. All right, I know I've rambled a lot about the controller, but you guys are really here to see the system itself. Now this thing is seriously, like, it's heavy. Like, let me get this out of here. All right, put this down. Alrighty, so power your dreams. We're gonna slide this off. I like to keep things how they come for some reason. I guess I didn't have to slide it off. It could have just unlocked, but you know me. All right, we're gonna remove this tape up here. Let you guys see it first. Y'all see that green in there? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, y'all can see it. It depends on, I think it's just painted green, but depending on what angle you're at, you can see it a little bit better. A lot of ventilation, so hopefully this thing doesn't get hot. It'll be able to air out. As a matter of fact, before I even take this all the way off, in the back is also open here too, so more space. We have some rubber feet here, so I guess if you want to lay it down, you can, because I can feel these are rubber feet on this side. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. It is big though. I'm not gonna lie, it is big. Here it is, guys. Xbox One Series X. This thing is serious. It's serious, but it's serious. Here we have the disk drive, the eject buttons right here. Your power button is right here, up top. Like I said before, we have the feet on the other side, so they're not on this side, so I guess Microsoft wants you to sit it on this side rather than this one. I don't know why they didn't put them on both, but maybe how it works, I'm not exactly sure. But alright guys, so the back of this thing, as you can see, we have a lot of slots on the back. We have 2 USBs, we have an Ethernet, we have a storage expansion, we have an HDMI out, and this looks like the power for the power cord, and also a Kensington lock right here. I've never used a Kensington lock. Whoever invented that thing must have made a lot of money, because it's on everything, but no one really uses them. The only time I ever see them used is in the store. But hey, it's all good. You can lock your stuff down if you don't want someone to steal it. Yeah, this thing is beefy. It's powerful. I can't wait to open it up. I can't wait to turn it on, start playing games on it. Yeah, like I was saying before, I bought this system not because only it was the best one on the market, but also because this system has the 1 terabyte hard drive in it. But with all the online gaming that we're doing, myself, I like to actually buy the games and have them in hand. I'm a collector. As you guys can see behind me, I collect a bunch of things, so I like actually having the disc. But a lot of people are moving to just online now, so when that storage is up, when that 1 terabyte is up, which is not going to take too long, you're going to need something else to do, you know what I mean? So that expansion slot that they put in there is really good. You don't have to open it up and do anything. You'll be able to put in some sort of card in there and keep rocking. Well, alright guys, it was the Xbox One Series X, and I'm about to turn this, I'm going to plug this in, I'm going to turn it on, and let's get gaming. Alright guys, see me, if y'all want to, you know what I mean, your future boss on everything, all platforms, even on Xbox Live, come find me. Alright guys, peace.